When it comes to painting cars, prep work is actually more important than paint work, and a big part of prep is making sure that the car is level and smooth. This is typically done with guide coat and what's creatively known as a block. Guide coat can be a quick drying spray paint like this, or sometimes a chalky powder, and a block is just a piece of foam that usually has a flat side. The block is used to evenly distribute the pressure when you're sanding so that the high spots have the guide coat stripped off of them, but the low spots are still filled with the black guide coat, giving us an indication of where we need to fill. Typically, a crosshatch pattern is used across a wide area, and as you can see here, it's removed all of the guide coat except for in the 2 little dents in the door there, so we know where do we need to add Bondo. Similarly, this pillar has been sanded dull except for this one spot that's been dented because the sanding block simply glides over top of the low. Once that spot is overfilled with Bondo, we can use our block again to bring it down to the exact height of the surrounding bodywork. And this is the very basics of using guide coat and a block to level out your car.